Do you know the difference between B2B and B2C lead generation? If you are a marketer or a business owner, understanding these differences can help you create more effective lead generation strategies. In this video, we will break down the key distinctions between B2B and B2C lead generation and how they can impact your marketing efforts. Welcome to AnyBiz channel. I am Angelina, and today we are going to talk about the difference between B2B and B2C lead generation. While both types of lead generation aim to generate new customers, the approaches can be quite different depending on the target audience. Firstly, B2B lead generation is focused on generating leads for other businesses, while B2C lead generation targets individual consumers. This difference affects everything from the messaging to the channels used to reach potential customers. Secondly, the marketing channels used for B2B and B2C lead generation can vary widely. B2B lead generation often involves strategies like email marketing, webinars, trade shows, and account-based marketing, while B2C lead generation may rely more on social media, content marketing, paid search, and display advertising. Thirdly, the sales cycle for B2B lead generation can be longer and more complex than B2C. B2B products and services often require more consideration, research, and budget approval, so the marketing efforts need to be focused on educating, informing, and building relationship with the key decision makers. On the other hand, B2C lead generation may have a shorter sales cycle since consumers often make more impulsive buying decisions. Lastly, relationship building is an important aspect of B2B lead generation. It often involves building relationship with the key decision makers within other businesses, while B2C lead generation may focus more on engaging with individual customers and building brand loyalty. To sum up this video, we can see that B2B and B2C lead generation have distinct differences in terms of target audience, marketing channels, sales cycle, and relationship building strategies. Understanding these differences can help you tailor your marketing efforts and generate more leads for your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.